If you've ever had clothes that just don't come out fully clean, this is the kind of thing you add to your wash to give it a boost. This Oxygen Laundry Booster is really simple to use. You just add a scoop right into the drum with your regular detergent, and that's it. No extra steps or complicated measuring. What stands out is that it's chlorine-free, so it's not harsh, but it's still designed to help with things like stains and keeping whites looking fresh. It's also unscented, which I actually prefer, especially if you're already using a scented detergent. It's pretty concentrated too, so a little goes a long way. One container lasts through quite a few loads, which makes it feel more worth it. I also like that it works with different types of fabrics like everyday clothes, towels, and activewear, so you're not switching products depending on what you're washing. And since it's made without added dyes or fragrances, it feels like a more straightforward option if you're trying to keep things simple. Overall, if you're already looking at something like this and want an easy add-in to your laundry routine that helps handle tougher loads without being harsh, this is a really solid option to try.